Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a slice of matcha cake. So let's get started. To draw this yummy piece of cake, let's first start by drawing a straight line down. So I'm going to come about right here, and this is going to just be the height of our cake. So I'm just going to try my best here to draw a straight line down. So about this tall, and then I'm going to go across at a slight angle, so I'm going to kind of aim upwards, but as I go I'm going to skip a little bit. I'm not going to make the line too solid because this is going to be just like the top layer of cream. That's sliced open, so I don't want it too solid, so I'm just going to kind of skip here and there. Go across, say about that much, and then I'm going to come about right here. I'm going to skip a little bit of space right in this area. I'm just going to kind of round it off and then come straight down. It's just a little detail, but if you're not comfortable doing that, you can definitely just bring it down. I'm just trying to make the cake a little bit softer by adding a curve right there. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and draw another straight line just like the other side. And let's see, I'm going to end, let's see, I need to angle it just like this angle. So I think I need to go down a little bit more, right there. Okay, so then now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead at the bottom and just connect it with an angle line all the way across. Okay, just looking at my camera, make sure I'm going the right way. And so now I've created this shape right here. I'm going to go ahead and come back to the top, and right about here we're going to create this kind of triangular shape. So go up, I'm just going to soften this curve, maybe make it a little bit curvy, so not too straight. And then if you're using a pencil, definitely just create this triangular shape right here for the top. But I'm going to stop about right here because I want to put in this really big strawberry right on top. So I'm going to go about right here, round it off. But if you're using a pencil, like I said, just go ahead and finish the cake first before you put in the strawberry. Just gonna lay one strawberry down right about here. There. So now that we have the strawberry shape in, let's put in some leaves just to make it extra pretty. So right here at the top, I'm just gonna go ahead, maybe just 4 of them, and bring it right back in. And then when you're coloring it, just put in a little seeds, little ovals right on the top for some texture. And then whatever space I have left, I'm just going to go ahead and finish it off. And then just kind of imagining it's going to be about right here. It's going to come through. So let's say about right here. We want to connect. And so as I draw this part right here, I'm curving it a little bit. It's not too straight. Kind of curve it into this. So that's why I wanted to kind of curve it right here, just to create a soft corner for our cake. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw in some of these layers. So I'm going to come about right here, and we're just going to follow the top, go all the way across. And as I come to about right here, I'm going to give it a little edge. I'm going to round it off and then come down. I'm going to make the top layer a little bit thicker because I want to put in some Draw So Cute eyes. So let's say about right here, I'm going to put in another right about here. Just go across. Try my best to follow the top line. There, and then connect. And then one more thin layer right here of cream. And as always, my drawing here is just meant to inspire you. So you can definitely come up with your, how many ever layers you want on your matcha cake. And down. There, so create that. And then now to bring it to life, let's come about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw this big circle for some draw so cute eyes. And then we want to put one really far, so let's say about right here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now I have my eyes in. I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then, of course, let's put in a sweet smile, so right in between the eyes. And I'll just add a little tongue, because it's very yummy, and cap it off. And last but not least, let's add a heart right about here to make this my draw so cute matcha, slice of matcha cake with a big strawberry on top. I really hope you love this slice of cake and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.